Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about the absolutely monster Mercedes-Benz GLS and the upgrade of these stunning wheels. This vehicle needed a massive uplift and we previously carried out the satin PPF work on the vehicle, as well as a load of different optional extras like security, dash cam, entertainment, loads of different bits and pieces on this vehicle. But now our client wanted to really transform that look of that vehicle, get rid of those dated alloys and upgrade to the Vossen gorgeous HF2 wheels. They look absolutely stunning. They complement really nicely. So you've got the satin black finish of the paint protection film of what we've done on the out exterior of the car. We've left a couple of the gloss black accents when we did the PPF work. However, this now really blends in nicely. We've got the center caps which have gone for the gloss black to complement alongside other gloss black areas that are still protected by that paint protection film. And then what we've actually gone for is that kind of gunmetal look there. It just sets the car off. It's not all black. It gives a little bit of color as such to the rest of the vehicle, and it just looked absolutely mint. We've kept the original tyres, so we've done one of our tyre swap solutions on this. So basically taken off the original alloys, taken off the original tyres, moved them onto these Vossen HF2s. However, we do option as well, if you are looking for an upgrade of the actual alloys as well, we can do a full conversion where we do the new tyres as well. So really happy with the final results. I'm sure the client is going to be over the moon with them as well. It just looks absolutely stunning. But let us know in the comments what you guys think, what else would look cool on this vehicle, and also what you guys think of our new website as well. Go check out the Vossen page if you're interested in having an upgrade of Vossen wheels. You know exactly where to go. We're based in Cambridge. Look forward to upgrading your wheels soon.